Once again, the ASCPA Accounting and Review Services Committee used a so-called Omnibus standard to expand the subject matter to which the statements on standards for accounting and review services apply. Michael Glynn tells us that, as opposed to past Omnibus standards that tended to be technical revisions of the SARS rules, SARS 23 is actually a big deal.
Yeah, that's a great observation, and you're right. For the most part, when we issue these omnibus, what we're doing is we're taking the existing literature and we're tweaking certain aspects. A lot of times, sliding in some new requirements to deal with some practice areas or practice situations that have come to the committee's attention, things like that. Well, SARS 23, while it does some of that, and it is a standard that kind of tackles a few different objects. The primary focus of 23 was to deal with compilations and preparation of prospective financial information. Now, I know we're throwing around pro forma financial information and prospective financial information at the same time, but they are very different. Prospective financial information is our budgets, forecasts, projections, all that kind of good stuff. Now, prior to SARS 23, if you were going to do a compilation of prospective financial information, which you were permitted to do, you would follow the SSAEs, the attestation standards. Now, as I said a couple minutes ago, the Auditing Standards Board underwent a project to clarify the attestation standards. And step one, and I think it was brilliant how they did this, was to define what an attestation engagement was. And they said it's either an examination, which is an audit-level type service on something other than historical financial statements. They have a review over the attestation literature and agreed upon procedures. Well, when the ASB was looking at the body of literature and the attestation literature, it said, what's with this one little piece here, a compilation of prospective financial information? That doesn't fit our definition. So what the ASB said is, let's see if our friends, the ARSC, wouldn't mind taking it and moving it over to SARS.